Good morning, Bears. I'm Uriah. Welcome to your BTV announcements. Today is Friday, March 21st, and it's tournament day for our varsity tennis team. Let's wish them lots of luck. Huge shout out to Bears basketball player Kingston Flemings for earning top honors at the 2024-2025 Texas Basketball Gatorade Player of the Year. He averaged 20.4 points, 6.8 assists, 6.4 rebounds, and 2.9 steals. Kingston is ranked as the number 20 recruit in the nation by ESPN. Way to represent Kingston. Kudos to Bears basketball guard Tre Keene, who will compete in the San Antonio Sports All-Star three-point contest presented by Valero Energy at the Northside Sports Gym this Sunday. Hit them threes, Tre. Once more, congrats to our Lady Bears softball team on their imposing 13-3 win over Warren this past Tuesday. Avery Leatherman hit a home run and Natalie Gonzalez was the winning pitcher. Tomorrow they face Sotomayor at noon on softball field 2. BFND ladies. Congrats to our Bears baseball team on their 6-2 win versus O'Connor this past Wednesday. Brandon Villarreal pitched a complete game for the win. Brendan Navarro had 3 hits, with Antonio Nunez, Blake Webb, and Caden Glass each adding 2 hits of their own. Our Bears match up against O'Connor again tomorrow at 1:45 p.m. on Northside Field 2. Seniors, you ready to embrace the exciting journey of becoming a Roadrunner? Attend the UTSA Rowdy Ready Workshop, which is an informative session on Monday in the Career Center during all the lunch periods. Have all your questions answered and discover incredible opportunities. Do not miss out. Bears, let's help out with the FCCLA Toy Drive. You can donate toys, books, and toiletries for children in need at the Christus Hospital Medical Center. Every 5 items earns you 1 service hour. For more information, email Jill Thompson at NISD.net. Pitch in to help. You can also help our Bears football team raise money in the Lift-A-Thon fundraiser to aid in purchasing team gear, program equipment, and other football expenses. Each athlete has a monetary goal. Please consider donating or sharing via social media at BFNDFball so that they may reach it. Teachers and students, if you'd like a fashion shirt because you missed out on getting one the first time around, scan this QR code to shop online for all the fashion and FCCLA swag. You need to order by April 2nd. The freshman class is starting to fundraise for their senior prom because it's never too early to start raising money. Anyone can donate and every dollar counts, so they ask you to scan this QR code to help class of 2028 prepare for the best prom ever. Monday is the last day to turn in your dance and drill team tryout packages. The tryout clinic is April 1st through the 3rd, and tryouts are April 4th. Interested in singing, playing violin, guitar, or guitarón with the Brennan Mariachi Club? If so, please visit sponsor Elizabeth Sosa in room E237 or co-sponsor Zuli Gutierrez in room 143. Practice will take place on Fridays from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Bears, do you love comic books and storytelling? Then show us who you are in comic book style by taking part in the PTSA's Find Yourself poster contest. If you have a chance to win prizes and have your artwork showcased at the NerdVanaCon on March 26th. The deadline for the poster is March 25th. For details, send an email to brennanptsa@gmail.com. Finally, hope you've kept an eye on your absences. Why? Because you may be exempt from the spring semester exam if you have 3 or fewer absences from January 7th to May 29th, excluding school business absences. You also need to have an 80 or higher final average for the spring semester. Your conduct is satisfactory or better, and you need to attend during the scheduled exam time. However, students enrolled in dual credit, on-ramps, college prep math, and college prep English courses must take the semester exams. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X and also look for us on Instagram at BTV Bears. You can also catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Uriah, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.